Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about KT5 Derm Cream. Coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Laborate Pharmaceuticals India Ltd. KT5 Derm Cream. Uses. KT5 Derm Cream is used in the treatment of skin infections caused by microorganisms, such as bacteria and fungi. It helps clear the infection and relieves the symptoms associated with these skin conditions. Benefits. KT5 Derm Cream is a combination of medicines that kills and stops the growth of infection-causing microorganisms. It helps clear the infection while relieving symptoms such as itching, redness, and swelling by blocking the release of chemicals responsible for inflammation. Use the cream for the full duration prescribed by your doctor, even if symptoms improve, as stopping treatment too early may cause the infection to return. Depending on the type of infection, treatment may continue for several weeks. Even after the infection has completely healed, occasional application may be recommended to help prevent symptoms from returning. Side effects. Like all medicines, KT5 Derm Cream may cause some side effects. Common side effects include thinning of the skin and application site reactions such as burning, irritation, itching, and redness. If these side effects persist or worsen, medical advice should be sought. How to use. KT5 Derm Cream is for external use only. Use it in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Before applying, clean and dry the affected area. Apply the cream to the affected area and wash your hands afterward, unless the hands are the affected area. How it works. KT5 Derm Cream is a combination of 5 medicines: clobetasol, gentamicin, chloroquinol, ketoconazole, and tolnaftate. Clobetasol is a steroid that blocks the production of chemical messengers responsible for redness, swelling, and itching. Gentamicin is an antibiotic that kills bacteria by preventing the synthesis of essential proteins needed for their survival. Ketoconazole, chloroquinol, and tolnaftate are antifungal medicines. Ketoconazole destroys the fungal cell membrane and stops fungal growth. Chloroquinol interferes with DNA synthesis, helping kill the fungi responsible for infection. Tolnaftate prevents fungal cell wall growth and the formation of fungal colonies, leading to the death of fungi. Together, these medicines help treat bacterial and fungal skin infections.